Hello, welcome to That's in Kitchen. Today I am making a warm and hearty seasoned meatball soup. This quick and easy recipe will have a delicious dinner on your table in just about 30 minutes. Let's get started. Grate a small onion. Sorry about the camera shaking while I am grating the onion. Onions are a great way to add natural sweetness to the meatballs. Soup with meatballs, which is very easy to make and very delicious, that those who love yogurt soups will love. I use 250 grams of ground beef for this recipe. Place the ground beef into a large mixing bowl. Make sure to use fresh ground beef for the best flavor. Add the grated onion and one egg. The egg helps to bind all the ingredients together. This is a quick and easy soup recipe that can anyone make. Next, add 2 tablespoons of bulgur. By the way, bulgur is steamed, dried and crushed with grains. It is a staple of Middle Eastern cuisine. You can use breadcrumbs instead of bulgur. These spices will give our meatballs a wonderful aroma and taste. Prepare a tray by covering it with 2 tablespoons of flour. These steps ensure that our meatballs don't stick to the tray. Mix everything until well combined. This takes about 5 minutes. Once the mixture has a uniform color, it's done. Take your time with this step. A well-mixed meatball mixture is key to a great texture. I am passionate with a love for cooking and experimenting with flavors. As a busy parent of 3 wonderful kids, I understand the challenges of preparing meals that are not only nutritious, but also exciting and enjoyable for the whole family. That's why I started this channel to share my love for cooking and inspire others to embark on their own culinary adventures. Shape the mixture into meatballs and place them on the tray. Try to make them all the same size so they cook evenly. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and comment below. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you better content. Cover all the meatballs with flour. The flour will help protect their shape. This step also helps to create a nice crusty on the meatballs when they cook. For the seasoning preparation, add 2 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add an egg and 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. This mixture will give our soup a rich and creamy texture. Mix all the ingredients well. Make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Add 1 liter of water into a pot and turn on the heat. Add the meatballs after the water boils. Cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. The boiling water will help the meatballs keep their shape and cook evenly. Before pouring the seasoning into the pot, mix some boiling water into the seasoning mixture. This step tempers the mixture, preventing it from curdling when added to the soup. While stirring the soup, slowly pour the seasoning into the pot. Slowly pouring helps to integrate the seasoning smoothly. Cook on medium heat for 5 more minutes. This will allow the flavors to melt together beautifully. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. You can adjust the salt to your taste. For dressing the soup, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a saucepan. Add 1 teaspoon of dried mint. The mint adds a refreshing finish to our hearty soup. Garnish the soup with this butter and mint sauce. Your delicious seasoned meatball soup is ready. This final touch makes the soup look as good as it tastes. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious soup. It's a perfect meal for a cozy family dinner. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends on social network. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.